everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you and a comparison. I'm really excited to try this. I ordered off of Walmart.com and it's called Daisy Rose. So it's like a Louis Vuitton dupe, but I saw so many women order this and they said it's absolutely amazing. I wanted to try out the wallet before I go full blown and get a Louis Vuitton wallet that I don't really like, because I'm really picky about my wallets. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first item I got is the little keychain. So the Louis Vuitton I did not purchase. I was going to purchase, but I ended up not purchasing because this was way too small and it did not fit my band key in there. So I didn't pay the $200 or $230, $260, I can't even remember, for the little key chain. And I just ordered this one off Walmart. I can already tell you that the zipper is getting stuck. So I don't know if I work with it a little bit, if it'll get a little easier, but I do like how big the pouch is. And I can't remember how much I paid for this. I believe it was 15-ish. It wasn't very expensive at all. But the clamp on it, sorry, my nails are terrible. I haven't had time to redo them. So the little clamp is very similar to the actual Louis Vuitton clamp. And the bag is bigger than the Louis Vuitton bag. And I like that because now I can at least fit cash and my keys in here. Whereas the Louis Vuitton, I could not even fit my key in there. So, and my key is bulky. It is very bulky. So, yeah. But yeah, I can already tell you the zipper is, I don't know about the zipper, guys. We'll just see how it goes. See how that one goes. And I was wanting a little wallet to carry out, you know, with the whole COVID thing. I wanted something that I could wipe off, and if I get it dirty or scratched, or I wipe it with a sanitizing cloth and it gets ruined, it's not really that big a deal. So I ordered this from Walmart as well. It's also Daisy Rose. So it has a little D-ring here. The zipper on this is smooth going back, but not going forward. But once again, maybe if I use it a little bit, it'll be better. So in here, it comes with the wristlet for the D-ring, and this particular one, I believe I paid $19 for. But the canvas looks very similar to the Louis Vuitton. I can bring out my Louis Vuitton here in a second and I can show you guys. The only thing that it doesn't have is a Louis Vuitton symbol, of course, because it is not. But yeah, vegan leather. And I chose this one because it has a card slot. So there we go. Card slot. And then it has like a little pocket here and then an opening here. So I'm excited to try this, and I will be right back. I'm going to go grab my actual Louis Vuitton and we can do a side-by-side comparison. Alright, made it back. Okay, so this is the actual Louis Vuitton print in damier, and you can see it has the logo right there. See if I can get this. Yeah, it's like really close. The color is really close. I'm really excited about this. Let me see the reds. I know the reds aren't going to match because Louis Vuitton does this little, you know, stripe. I don't think either of these, yeah. Neither of these have red, they're just brown on the inside. So, it is very close though. I can capture that. Very, very close. Just these, of course, are Daisy Rose, so they don't have the Louis Vuitton symbol. So anyway, I'm gonna try these guys out this week and see how I like them and see how well they hold up against all my sanitizing wipes. And I will jump back on and let you guys know how it's going and what they look like in a week. So thanks for watching.